What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another Roush Reviews. I have just finished work. We're in the F6 again. I'm basically heading to a subscriber's house right now who has been kind enough to donate a black roof lining for us. So, better get my hat on here again, but yeah, so we're heading down to his place just to chuck in this roof lining. Again, I just can't thank you guys enough who have, contacted me, gave heaps of advice, offered parts, offered a hand to help fix this, beautiful F6 up. Well, soon to be beautiful F6. I just can't thank you guys enough, and I really appreciate all the support I've been getting lately for this car, for these videos. So yeah, if you guys can keep it up, I really, really appreciate it. But anyways, yeah, I'm just about to head there. I'll check back in once we're there, and yeah, hopefully we'll have a new roof lining. All right, guys, so we've made it here. We've just pulled the roof lining out of the shed. So this is pretty much what we're dealing with at the moment. So yeah, there's nothing here. So it should be a pretty simple install. We just unscrew these handles, and they pretty much hold this roof lining up. So hopefully this isn't going to take too long. And I'll just quickly show you in here as well. Rich is a Ford man, and he has got some killer Fords in his garage. How you going, man? Cheers again for helping me out with this roof lining. And making the donation. It's much appreciated.
Help,
Yeah, there is a lot of stuff obviously that needs to be done on this F6, and yeah, any help is awesome.
Yeah, it's not in too bad a shape, but I reckon,
Yeah, it's not terrible. It's not as bad as I first thought, I reckon, but yeah, it's gonna need a little bit of love, but just time. But yeah, let's hear this Ute. So you've got is this a BF Ute?
BA Ute.
BA Ute. Okay, we got a BA Ute XR6 turbo.
Got an FG motor in it.
FG motor. Yeah. Running. Now you said before it was about 470 to the wheels.
350 kilowatt at the tires.
Oh, look at this. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is pretty much goals for power figures I want to get from that F6. Like around that 450, 500 horsepower. That's really what I want to get to it at the sort of the end game.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is wicked, man. And I love a good Ute. So yeah, seeing this in a Ute. That's killer. Yeah, already.
I'll show you that later.
Yeah, hell yeah. It's gonna fire it up, eh?
Yeah, we're trying to fire it up.
Look at this freaking blow off valve. Hell yeah. That is a fat Ute. Oh, and did I forget to mention he's got a XR8 Sprint, build number 9. That car goals. Car goals. I'll show them inside as well. So he's got all the BF, gauge console here, leather XR seats here. And he's done the roof lining as well in black. So this is mint. This is how mine should look once we're done today. And this is just a clean ass car. So yeah, 6-speed manual. Love it. Hell yeah. Now here it is. Here is the new roof lining. And it's actually like in really good condition. It just needs really a quick dust off basically, and it's mint. Like it's actually got the proper housing as well here where the sunglasses and everything go. And yeah, like again, can't thank Rich enough for donating this. It helped me put it in today. It's just gonna make the car feel a little bit more complete. And yeah, let's hope we don't get the sagging roof liner for a while. This one looks pretty good condition. Anyways, let's put this thing in. So yeah, we've just taken off the sun visors. The little dome light here in the middle of the roof there. Just getting those back handles off. And pretty much that's gonna be it. Obviously we're gonna get where the sunglasses and stuff get stored. That little thing's gonna come off. But that's basically it. Then that whole roof lining will just come out. We'll pull it out. And then yeah, just swap in the new one. So yeah.
These pop out now. Don't get too scared, okay? It's gonna look a bit rough. You just pop the top of it. You don't take it off.
Just pull the top off, eh? Yeah, all right, there we
I've
go.
done that before.
Yeah, just clip out.
And then
And just those two little clips in the roof up here.
then we get that special tool. The clips.
Clip tool.
Yeah, these ones are really in there.
There we go.
I'll put them on the shelf. I suppose it's probably the best one.
There we go.
And one more.
Definitely need that tool.
Yes. Otherwise they break.
Yeah, they would, definitely.
I've done that quite a few times.
So yeah, that's they're definitely solidly in there.
And just the front here.
Right tool for the job. If anyone's curious, just a yeah, simple tool like that.
Hey, that's right. These pillars here at the front now.
Oh yeah, so the front ones get pulled back as well, sort of same as the
You just take these off, but because they'd break it otherwise.
yeah, same as the back basically, eh?
You can remove your Bluetooth now if you want.
Oh yeah, I'll just
Leave it in there.
I might remove it actually.
What do you think about it? Yeah, pop off. I was going to say, it's not that hard.
Now you just slowly
Sort of go from the back first.
oh yeah, the
I
whole
might
thing's
take these off before we put it back in.
yeah, yeah.
Make it a bit easier.
And then yeah, easy as.
It's all just clipped in. It's pretty straightforward, as you can see.
There it goes.
There it goes. Now we go for the passenger side.
Okay.
Front passenger side.
So I'll have to go on the. You got to get it out of the front passenger side, eh?
Yeah, but we've got to unclip all the
Oh yeah,
everything that's plugged in for now.
Oh yeah, this is something in there that's plugged in.
Follow it through.
Oh yeah, so the lights. Unplug those dome lights.
Yeah.
And then there'll be the one for the middle dome light as well, eh?
Yes. It's disconnected here. There's not much to it. You're gonna bend it a little bit, but this is where we'll need
Yep. 2 hands.
again.
4 hands.
I suppose you sort of see what you have to do with your one.
Just kind of get it flat like this, eh?
Yeah, so you get the back seat down. Like a test run, so you.
Alright, so we've got both of them out here now.
They're already black.
Yeah, yeah. This is the one. No, these ones are already black, yeah. So this is the one that's going to go in. It's already got lights. We just need the middle dome and the sun visor. Yeah, sun visor thing there. So basically we're just going to pull these pieces off the old one, put them on this, and then attempt to get it back in there. This back corner needs to.
Yep, that's perfect. Look at that. Okay.
2 hours later.
And then when we get the handles and everything in.
Yeah, yeah. All right, guys. So it is the it's the next day here now. Yeah, things kind of took a little bit longer than we expected. Started getting dark out. We did eventually get the roof lining put in, and I gotta say it looks really good. I've obviously got to still give it a bit of a brush. I haven't actually had time to properly clean it yet, but it came out really well. So let's see if you can see in here. So yeah, it's obviously still got a little bit of dirt and everything, but there it is. And to be honest, it wasn't as difficult as I was expecting. Now, we did run into a little bit of a problem. All right, let's adjust this. We did run into a little bit of a problem. A couple of the plastics weren't all perfectly put back in. They are actually put in pretty well. Now, they're not gonna fall out or anything. There's no sagging at the moment. It doesn't look like it's gonna sag. We did, however, not realize that this roof lining, I believe, was from a previous model. Well, not a previous model, sorry, but a different year. So the map lights, unfortunately, they were a different plug, so I couldn't actually fit them. So we've gone and just put it in anyways. We didn't have time to fix that issue. So yeah, at the moment I don't have any map lights, but if I can turn on basically all the other lights here. What?
2 hours later.
Alright, so it actually turns out that the dome light was working when we put it in. Now it's not working. I've just had a look at the side here. So it's basically under here is the cord that runs down, and it's just not long enough. So every time I snap that piece back in, it's basically pulling on the cord and pulling it out of the socket, so I lose the light function again, which is incredibly frustrating. Just trying to get it sorted right there was just, yeah, doing my head in. But yeah, I'm just gonna obviously have to get like an extra piece or just extend that cable. It's a bit of a pain, but I'll just do it at a later day. And then that way as well, I'll get in there and then I'll redo the map lights as well. So if I get a new plug, maybe I can just get an adapter plug and that'll sort those dome lights out. Hopefully a simple fix. But yeah, again, this is the way the roof came, and yeah, unfortunately I can't turn the lights on, but they were working this morning and they were working last night. But again, yeah, just pulling the cord. The cord is obviously way too tight, and it's just falling out, so I'm gonna have to fix it properly. But yeah, it looked pretty good. Now, this is a two-man job. You know, you gotta lie these seats down, take the headrests off, and the easiest way which you would see from the video, was to slide it out the passenger front door. And basically, one person's in the back seat trying to like feed it through the middle, and then one person's over at the door there, and basically you're just trying to make sure it doesn't get caught on anything and crease too much. It is a bit of a delicate procedure, but yeah, again, if you have two people, then it's all right. And then yeah, once it's sort of the same when you put the new one in. Somebody comes in and just keeps it up while the other guy starts putting in the screws and everything. So yeah, look, I don't want to mess around here too much because this is where the cable is pulling right up this corner, and if I crease this, then we're gonna start getting damage, and then it's just gonna look crappy again. So I'm just gonna leave it for now. Yeah, unfortunately, we ran out of time. We didn't check the plugs, so make sure you check the plugs before you do this. Yeah, so obviously I'm gonna pull this out at a later day, extend that wire, and get an adapter for the map lights. But yeah, other than that, it looks really nice. It looks a million times better. Just looks like a more finished car. And yeah, there's no sagging or anything. So yeah, I'm really quite happy with how it came out. Gonna give this a quick vacuum, brush off all the little leaves and everything. But yeah, that's it. And again, huge thanks to Rich for helping me install it. I might be getting over there later today. He's got the soldering gun, so yeah, we'll fix that wire. And yeah, there's the new roof lining in. So appreciate the help, Rich. The donation of the roof lining, really appreciate that, mate. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something. Is there an easier way to do this? I don't know. Richie was pretty experienced, so let me know in the comments down below. And like always, if you're new here, please remember to hit that like button. Consider subscribing, and we'll see you on that next video.